I experienced a serious accident when I was a teen. Yes, when I was a teenager, I experienced a very serious accident. It was a rainy day. I was on the highway on my way to school. My car hydroplaned. I had no control of my car, which went head first into the guardrail. Soon after, a tractor trailer hit me. The side of my face was all cut up. I had a severe concussion, and there were bruises down the side of my body. My airbags never went off, so if my car didn't turn as quick as it did, then I wouldn't be here right now. If I wasn't wearing my seatbelt, then I would have been part of a statistic.
Will you be part of a statistic or part of the movement?